In this video I will show you how to update apps on Android device. First, open Play Market by tapping on the app icon. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, tap on the Manage Apps and Device section. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. In the Open section, you will immediately be able to see if updates are available for your apps. This is displayed as the second item in the list. You can tap on Update All, or if you want to choose which apps should be updated. To do this you need to tap on Updates Available. This will open a list of applications whose updates are available for download and installation. Here again we can update all applications at once by tapping on the Update All button at the top. To update a specific application, tap on the Update button to the right of the application. As soon as the application is updated, it will disappear from this list. Thank you for watching.